Welcome to my channel, Curious Brain. Before the independence of India, Dadra and Nagar Haveli were under the administrative control of A. English, B. French, C. Portuguese, D. Afghans. Answer C. Portuguese. Though, who among the following was the first Chief Justice of India and assumed office on the 26th of January 1950? A. Meher Chand Mahajan, B. Patanjali Sastri, C. Harilal Kania, D. B.K. Mukherjee. Answer C. Harilal Kania. 3. Which constitutional article lays down the provision for a national commission for SC and ST? A. Article 337, B. Article 334, C. Article 338, D. Article 339. Answer C. Article 338. 4. Which community gets special provision for central services in Article 336? A. Sikh community, B. Muslim community, C. Hindu community, D. Anglo-Indian community. Answer D. Anglo-Indian community. 5. National Commission for SC and ST shall be made by which constitutional institution? A. Parliament, B. Executive, C. Judiciary, D. State Legislature. Answer A. Parliament. Chair. Under Constitutional Article 343, which is the official language of the Union? A. Urdu, B. Hindi, C. English, D. B or C. Answer D. B or C. 7. Which constitutional article defines the Panchayat Raj? A. 243O, B. 243A, C. 243, D. 243I. Answer C. 243. 8. Which constitutional article define backquote municipalities? A. Article 243P, B. Article 243Q, C. Article 243T, D. Article 343U. Answer A. Article 243P. No. The Constitution of India was drafted and enacted in which language? A. Hindi, B. English, C. Tamil, D. Telugu. Answer B. English. Thus, total no of schedule in Constitution of India is A. 22, B. 17, C. 97, D. 12. Answer D. 12. 11. Constitution of India was enacted by the Constituent Assembly on A. 26 January 1950, B. 26 November 1949, C. 20 November 1950, D. 20 January 1949. Answer B. The 26th of November 1949. 12. Constitution of India came into effect on A. 26 January 1950, B. 26 November 1949, C. 20 November 1950, D. 20 January 1949. Answer A. The 26th of January 1950. 13. The Constitution declares India to be a sovereign, socialist, secular, democratic republic, assuring its citizens of justice, equality, and liberty, and endeavors to promote fraternity among them. The words socialist and secular were added to the definition in year A. 1956, B. 1976, C. 1970, D. 1952. Answer B. 1976. 14. Total no of 6 fundamental rights in Constitution of India is A. 12, B. 5, C. 6, D. 8, and Sec. 1. Right to equality 2. Right to freedom 3. Cultural and education rights 4. Constitutional remedies 5. Right for protection 6. Right to vote. 15. Indian Independence Act, passed by the British Parliament on A. 18 July 1947, B. 20 July 1947, C. 14 August 1947, D. 20 July 1946. Answer A. The 18th of July 1947. 16. Who represented Parsis community in Constituent Assembly? A. H.P. Modi, B. Frank Anthony, C. Kanhaialal Munshi, D. James Franklin. Answer B. Frank Anthony represented the Anglo-Indian community, and the Parsis were represented by H.P. Modi. 17. Who represented Parsis community in Constituent Assembly? A. H.P. Modi, B. Frank Anthony, C. Harendra Kumar Mukherjee, D. Benegal Narsingh Rao. Answer C. Frank Anthony represented the Anglo-Indian community, and the Parsis were represented by H. P. Modi, while Harendra Kumar Mukherjee, a distinguished Christian who represented all Christians other than Anglo-Indians. 18. For the members of Parliament in India, who determines the salaries and allowances from time to time? A. Union Cabinet. B. Ministry of Parliament Affairs. C. Cabinet Secretariat. D. Parliament By-law. Ans. D. Parliament By-law. Nice. Who was the Prime Minister of India when a constitutional status for the Panchayati Raj and urban self-governing institutions was accorded? A. Indira Gandhi. B. Rajiv Gandhi. C. P.V. Narasimha Rao. D. Atal Bihari Vajpayee. Answer C. P.V. Narasimha Rao. B's. In India, when both offices of President and Vice President happen to be vacant simultaneously, who will discharge the duties of the President? A. Prime Minister. B. Union Home Minister. C. Speaker of Lok Sabha. D. Chief Justice of India. Answer D. Chief Justice of India. Case. As per Constitution of India, the Legislative Assembly of a state consists of more than 500 and not less than 60 members, but which one of the following states has 32 members? A. Delhi. B. Sikkim. C. Goa. D. Puducherry. Answer B. Sikkim. Vice. In the Union Government, the Council of Ministers is collectively responsible to the A. Prime Minister of India. B. Lok Sabha. C. Lok Sabha and Rajya Sabha. D. Union Cabinet. Answer B. Lok Sabha. Is. Under whose direct supervision is the Lok Sabha Secretariat? A. Cabinet Secretary. B. Ministry of Parliament Affairs. C. Speaker of Lok Sabha. D. Prime Minister of India. Answer C. Speaker of Lok Sabha. 24. How many members can be nominated to the Rajya Sabha by President of India? A. 10. B. 12. C. 14. D. 18. Answer B. 12. 25. Who of the following is the chairman of the National Water Resources Council? A. Prime Minister of India. B. Union Minister of Water Resources. C. Union Minister of Agriculture. D. Union Minister of Earth Sciences. Answer A. Prime Minister of India. 26. Who is the chairman of National Integration Council? A. President of India. B. Prime Minister of India. C. Minister of Minority Affairs. D. Chief Justice of India. Answer B. Prime Minister of India. 27. Which one of the following dealt with the subject of local self-government? A. Balwant Rai Mehta Committee. B. Kothari Commission. C. Veerappa Moily Committee. D. Venkatachalam Commission. Answer A. Balwant Rai Mehta Committee. 28. Which one of the following is not a fundamental right? A. Right against exploitation. B. Right to constitution remedies. C. Right to property. D. Cultural and educational rights. Answer C. Right to property. 29. Which one is known as lower house? A. Lok Sabha. B. Rajya Sabha. C. Vidhan Sabha. D. Vidhan Parishad. Answer A. Lok Sabha. 30. Under the Panchayati Raj system, Gram Sabha consists of A. Elected executives of a village. B. Persons who is registered in the electoral rolls relating to a village. C. Elected executives of a village and officials nominated by him/her. D. The village surpanch at the persons nominated by him/her. Answer B. Persons who is registered in the electoral rolls relating to a village.